Hey y'all. Hey. So I just got off work. These kids been getting on my nerves, bugging me. We supposed to have been made these fried Oreos years ago. Nah, about a month or so ago. So that's what we're gonna do today. Make some fried Oreos. So we have the mix. We're gonna just mix this together. And what y'all think we do next?
Put the Oreos in. Put the Oreos in.
Yeah. And then what we do?
Mix.
You mix the Oreos in it?
Wait for it to cook.
Where you put it at to cook?
On the stove.
On the stove and what?
In a pot.
What's gonna be in the pot?
Oreos.
So we just put the pot on the stove with Oreo?
With the pan, with that mix and with oil.
Oh, okay. Cause I was about to do exactly what they said do. Put the Oreo in the pot and cut it on. What y'all think was gonna have? So we add some grease. Probably, Dave. We just need enough to cover them. That should be enough. Get a bowl so we can put some pancake mix in there and mix it up.
I don't care if it's a green bowl. I was going to get that green bowl, burger.
Put some pancake mix in there.
A little bit. Right, Mom?
Not a whole bunch because we ain't covering like a million cookies.
Mom,
What's
I
up?
said a little bit. That's enough?
That should be enough.
I told you.
That's my favorite pancake mix. They is not for to be wasting that.
Water.
A little bit.
Don't put too much because you're gonna make it. Look at all them clucker bugs. That's enough.
I said a little bit. Now mix. Can I help mix? I'm going to get another spoon so I can mix too.
We don't need two people mixing. How about this? What another? Let me get another bowl.
And then I can do the same thing.
Yes.
Put a little bit of that. And put a little bit of water.
Here, do yours.
Okay.
No, you're not open the whole thing.
How much?
Just go. Go.
Oopsie.
Okay, that's enough.
Then put a little bit of water.
Yeah, come put some water in it.
People put a lot.
No, because I got it. Mix it up.
Grab my mixer.
That's a spoon.
I know. And mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix.
Look how this boy mix. Look, y'all. You gotta make sure all the lumps and clumps out. Mix the whole bowl, not one side. Like you got too much water, Dave. Hold on, let me see.
This.
Let me assist Davion right quick, y'all. Hold on.
Look at Barbara's.
I did it before. That's it.
You got a little bit too much water, so we add some more. I already got stuff all over. Gotta get out the side too.
That's what I was doing.
Here, keep mixing.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me make sure I get lumps and clumps. This is Dominique's. Whoa! Made a boo-boo.
Do I need more?
You probably gonna need some more. Whoa.
Can I smell it?
Huh?
Can I smell it?
You already smelled it.
I actually did it. I can't even smell
Does
it.
it smell like pancakes?
Mm-hmm.
Smell it again.
It smells like pancakes.
Can I lick it?
No, don't clean it off.
You put the bowl up.
Yeah, I'll put the spoon up to get them.
Don't do it.
Get it out. Oh, you said napkin. Here.
I just got a napkin.
Why you didn't get out with the water? How many Oreos y'all think y'all making a piece? What? One.
No, 5 and 5. So I can eat 10. I mean, 9 and 9.
20 and 20?
Let's just pour all this in the garbage and just wrap it up right now.
No.
Okay.
It's gonna be 10 and 10. That's how much we're gonna get.
Y'all, Davion been cooking lately. He be cooking his own food in the microwave. He becoming a big boy. What you be cooking?
Pizza rolls.
Come over here so you can tell them.
Pizza rolls. Some waffles.
You gonna need.
And what else?
And some.
That's nothing.
Stop hating. You always been a hater.
I don't know.
You a hater.
I was just.
You a hater.
And some
Noodles.
noodles.
Y'all, let me show y'all what happened. Oh, Dominique threw Turdy up there. I'm not sure if y'all familiar who Turdy is. It's the turtle that we got from SeaWorld. So me being mommy, I was trying to assist the children to get Turdy down. So I was throwing pillows up there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yep, I was throwing pillows up there. Our room pillow got stuck up there with Turdy. Dominique is the one that threw Turdy up. Dominique is the one that threw Turdy up there.
Which one?
You. They know your daddy didn't. So now we have to ask my honey for some help. Because I've been trying. I even tied the broomstick and the pole that go on for the curtains together. And I still couldn't get them down. I thought you was farting.
Not me.
You about to cry? He stopped mid-cry to talk. So we just waiting and waiting and wait until we can fry. We can fry.
I seen Pops.
Let's say a wrap for them days. Ooh. My name Tierra and I'm with my boys. We going over here just to play with some toys. And we out here about to fry these Oreos. They smell like Toreos.
They smell. I was gonna say they smell like pancakes.
Oh, you was? Why you said it for the do it?
They smell like pancakes.
They can't see your hand. Do it again.
They smell like pancakes.
Let me see. So sometimes what you do is got some water. Okay, come on.
Now we put it in. What goes in? What goes in here? What goes in here?
Here. Look at that. Go on the camera, Dave.
Oh. Powder.
Don't take it off. Here.
This is the Oreo. Dip it in.
You got to get it all the way. Dang, Dave. Get it. Here, let me show them what y'all doing. You got to get it all the way in there. Like submerged in there on all the sides. Submerged.
Even put my hand in it?
No.
Like I'm doing my.
I almost
Look
pulled
at
the
this,
whole
Mom.
thing you got.
Oh. Let's go.
Okay, I get it, Dave. Hold on. Let's come on. Come on, Dominique.
Got it back.
Come on, you moving too slow. So y'all see that one in there? It's frying.
It looks like a big bubble.
Let's see. Let me see where I can put y'all at.
It's starting to look like a pancake.
Oh, shoot. Okay, the thing keeps stopping y'all. Dave over here struggling. Let me see.
Me help me.
We gotta turn it over. Hold on, cause they gonna burn.
Look at it.
Cause it don't supposed to be in here that long.
I'm gonna grab a chair so I can see. Let me grab a chair so I can see. What can you do?
You can't be that close to this grease thing. So back up a little bit. Let's get yours together.
Where's the Oreo?
In there.
What was right there?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! It's bubbling.
I gotta try to watch them, y'all, cause y'all been making them burn.
Too much.
Cause they've been in there too long.
Tell me the story about when you tried to make some pancakes.
Yeah, Dominique burnt pancake.
I didn't. It wasn't even burnt. It didn't taste crunchy.
Just cause it don't taste crunchy don't mean it's not burnt.
It didn't look burnt.
Mm-hmm.
It looked like good pancakes.
Oh,
No, They do not look like mama pancakes. They beautiful.
my pancake's beautiful. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, got a big one.
Yeah, I'm sorry y'all ain't showing y'all everybody. We just trying to hurry up. Okay. You think it's ready to be dropped? This is what they look like, y'all. This side Dave's. That side Dominique's.
Which side do you want?
And how it look like funnel.
Yeah, you record while I here.
Can you put it in?
No, record while.
So this side's mine, that side's Steve.
Mm-hmm.
Which side is mine?
This is what they look like.
There's a hole at the bottom of the plate. What happened?
Oreo inside.
You cut it right up down the middle. Okay, taste it.
So this is what they look on the outside. This is what they look on the inside. I don't want my hands dirty.
Since when?
They don't burn.
Since I was born.
What? Go.
Whoa. Super good.
They good. They have them at the fair. You know that? It's good. So y'all did a good job cooking, huh? Well, dang, Dave. y'all ain't nobody go ask Daddy did he want some.
I'm going to have some.
See if he up and see if you want to taste it. Dominique gonna try to eat all his, so his daddy can't get none. They real good. What it taste like?
It is good.
Tastes like funnel cake.
Is that now?
What it taste like?
Funnel cakes.
Oh, with Oreos. What it taste like, Dave?
It tastes good.
What does it taste like?
Pancake.
It tastes like pancakes.
I mean Oreo and pancake.
Oh, so I guess y'all turn around here.
Can I
Let's
put
see.
some syrup on it?
No, you cannot. Said we're gonna make some cookies next from scratch. I don't know, perhaps some strawberries, some kind of cookie, snickerdoodle, I don't know. But we'll figure it out. But we love y'all. We thank y'all for supporting us. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Good.